Samsung's next big innovation in the foldable world might just be here, and could change the way we look at multitasking and smartphone photography forever, because the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is shaping up to be a groundbreaking device that surpasses the already impressive Galaxy Z Fold7, delivering features and upgrades that even die-hard Samsung fans weren't expecting. And according to multiple leaks and credible sources, including official-looking videos shared by a tech heist on X, Samsung is reportedly preparing to launch the Galaxy Z TriFold, its first tri-foldable smartphone, before the end of this year, possibly around late October or early November. And unlike the Galaxy Z Fold7, which has been widely praised for its durability and performance, but criticized for incremental innovation, the Galaxy Z TriFold promises something entirely new, not just another foldable, but a device that could redefine productivity, creativity, and entertainment on a handheld form factor. Because while the Z Fold7 offers enhanced multitasking and a solid camera system with up to 30x digital zoom, the Z TriFold is rumored to push things further by introducing built-in DeX functionality, which would allow users to transform the phone into a desktop-like experience without needing extra hardware, a feature currently reserved for high-end Galaxy tabs like the Tab S11 and Tab S11 Ultra. And this alone signals Samsung's intent to blur the lines between smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making the Galaxy Z TriFold a one-stop solution for professionals, creators, and multitaskers. Imagine being able to open 3 or more apps at once across a massive unfolded screen, drag and drop files seamlessly between windows, edit documents while watching videos, or even manage full spreadsheets alongside your emails, all on a pocket-sized device that unfolds into a productivity powerhouse. And while many users will lament the lack of S Pen support, which leaks suggest won't be available on this first-generation model, the inclusion of 100x digital zoom on the camera system, something we've so far only seen on Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, will be a game-changer, because it catapults the TriFold into the top tier of mobile photography, offering versatility that neither the Fold7 nor competing foldables like Huawei's Mate XT or Mate XTs can match. And speaking of competition, Huawei has indeed been leading the way with its dual-hinge foldables, but the Galaxy Z TriFold, potentially also called the Galaxy G Fold, might be Samsung's answer not only to Huawei, but also to Xiaomi and other Chinese brands experimenting with exotic foldable designs. And the fact that the device is expected to launch globally rather than being limited to a few markets suggests that Samsung is betting big on this new form factor, which has sparked a whole new category of trifold smartphones across the industry. But what makes this even more exciting is how Samsung appears to be focusing heavily on real-world use cases, with leaks showing fluid multitasking features like split screen, floating app windows, and seamless transitions between folded and unfolded modes, ensuring that users don't just get a gimmicky triple folding screen, but an actual utility upgrade over current devices. Because while the Fold7 is a great foldable, its multitasking is still limited compared to what laptops or large tablets offer. And if the Z TriFold can truly bridge that gap, we're looking at a massive leap forward in mobile productivity, especially when paired with DeX, which turns the phone into a desktop replacement for those on the go. Another area where the Z TriFold could shine is gaming and entertainment, because imagine playing a high-end game across an expansive triple-fold display or streaming movies on a screen that unfolds into near-tablet proportions, all while still being able to fold the device back down into a smartphone for portability. And this versatility could attract not just business professionals, but also gamers, content creators, and everyday consumers who crave more immersive experiences. However, no device is without trade-offs, and rumors suggest that while the Z TriFold will bring DeX and enhanced multitasking, it may skip S Pen support at least in its first iteration, likely due to the complexity of integrating digitizer layers into a tri-folding flexible OLED panel. But Samsung has always played the long game with foldables, and S Pen support could arrive in future generations once the technology matures. So in the meantime, users can still enjoy groundbreaking features like 100x digital zoom, which is far beyond the 30x limit of the Fold7, meaning sharper, more detailed photos even at long range. And this could also signal Samsung's intent to position the Z TriFold not just as a productivity tool, but also as a camera-centered device that rivals its S-series flagships. And while pricing has not yet leaked industry Watchers expect the Z TriFold to carry a premium price tag, potentially even higher than the Fold 7, which already starts around $1,799 for new units and about $1,669 for refurbished models on Amazon. But consider an innovation packed inside, including triple fold mechanics, DeX, and next-level cameras. Many believe early adopters will still line up to buy it, especially since Samsung has built a strong brand reputation for premium foldables. And to make things even more interesting, the leaked videos of the TriFold show a design that's not just a Fold 7 with an extra display slapped on, but a more refined device with thinner bezels, slimmer hinges, and a polished finish that screams next generation, which could help Samsung attract those who might have skipped earlier foldables due to bulk or durability concerns. And speaking of durability, Samsung has reportedly invested heavily into improving hinge technology and crease resistance, lessons learned from previous generations. So the TriFold may